Oh, what's up, party people? Welcome to another Elantra in on track video. This is Thunderhill East in September 2024. No bypass with Track Night in America. This was Track Night's first event on East. They usually run on West, and it was sold out with a wait list. I've been a big fan of all the Track Night events, basically just because ends up being about $30 a session before insurance for me, and that's makes a pretty good package. Plus, I also spend a lot of my weekends on or at autocross events, so it's nice to have one less weekend away from the family and still be able to make it to the track. I'm out with Ken in his C6 Z06. He's running like Eagle F1s. And it's just ridiculous how much tire that car has. We had both kind of ran 212s the previous session, and the session before that I ran like a 215. So I'm getting faster about 3 seconds every session. I'd only been to Thunderhill East once before this, and then my best time at that event from those 4 sessions was a 217. So I was pretty happy to get down into a 209. When I compare the 209 to the 212s I was running most of my time, was really kind of at turn 1. I took that about almost 10 miles an hour faster, and turn 8 a little bit faster. I'm still not lifting at turn 8, so there's definitely more time there, and I could definitely cheat turn 11 more. When I was running my first event, I was cheating turn 11 pretty like almost every lap, and the car takes it fine. I just kind of told myself, like, well, what if there is something there? Or what if the organizer I'm running with doesn't allow it? So let's try not to cheat it and see what happens. Overall, Elantra's still doing great. Great do-everything car. If this is the first video of mine that you've seen, I daily this car. I take my kids to school. It's 4 doors, super practical. I love it. I get, low 30 miles per gallon, and that's just driving normal mode, like without trying to hypermile, and I have a pretty big ascent and descent every day on my commute. Yeah, well, thanks for tuning in and watching. Be sure to leave comments if you guys got any questions. I'm pretty responsive. And it took me a while to kick this out, and just life, man. Everybody be safe. See you guys out there. Hyundai, really impressive. Very happy with the car. No regrets. This was the first time I've seen a 274 oil temp right at the end of the session. I'm still convinced that this car detunes once it hits like 264 oil temps, because it'll kind of just stay there for a while. The oil temps are on like the far left of my dash to the left of the tach. I was octane learned the first 2 sessions this event, but then I lost it because I added a couple of gallons. I was running on like a quarter tank before this, and I was like, oh, I'll throw a couple gallons in, and then you can see at like the end of the event, I actually have the fuel light come on, and the center dash is trying to navigate me to a gas station. Yeah, great event, Track Night in America, highly recommend it, and I never gave East enough credit. It's a blast, had a great time. I don't know if I like it more than West, but definitely liked it.